covering news that matters. Fox 23 News at 6 starts right now.
Questions remain unanswered around an agreement the Fraternal Order of Police says requires the city of Tulsa to destroy certain records involving police misconduct. So glad you're with us at 6. I'm Shay Rozzi.
And I'm Nathan Thompson. We've told you the FOP filed a restraining order to seal those records from being made public until a judge makes a decision.
Fox 23's Devin Lyon joins us live from the Tulsa County Courthouse, where a hearing was held on that restraining order this afternoon.
That's right, guys, and what came out of that courtroom was a second batch of documents that, per this agreement, the city was supposed to delete, and then a second restraining order, sealing those documents from the public. Just like you, the viewers at home, we have a lot of questions, but both the city of Tulsa and the Tulsa Fraternal Order of Police are refusing to talk. Would I be able to bug you guys for comment at all? I think you probably just gave him the same answer.
Yeah, I cannot, since it's still a pending matter.
Or to get, if you don't want to say it, you don't have to say it.
I really don't want to comment on anything.
Okay. I just wanted to...
It was McKinney, correct? Nice to meet you. Devin Lyon. Both the city of Tulsa and Tulsa Fraternal Order of Police are not talking after Wednesday's court hearing. It was found through a lawsuit and restraining order. The two had an agreement to dispose of records of police misconduct. The agreement dates back 20 years, but what is in that agreement is currently not available to the public. An open records request revealed the city had not held up their end of the bargain, and a restraining order was filed to seal those records. Now, a second batch of documents was revealed that the FOP was not aware of. Special Judge Caroline Wall agreed to have another restraining order put in place on this batch of documents so both parties could fully review them before a hearing plays out. But questions remain unanswered around this entire agreement. How is this agreement legal? Who all knew about it? Were documents ever destroyed? And if so, how many? Although the city could not provide comment, they did send me their retention schedule, their policy on how long they keep documents before disposing of them. In this schedule, they have, quote, investigations regarding police conduct or actions. That is under a permanent filing, meaning they do not delete these types of files. State law here does say some records around personal identification can be kept confidential, but it later says public records cannot be removed without a court order. Between the two batches, there are about 200 pages of records that were supposed to be deleted, but now under a court-ordered seal. A status conference is set for next Wednesday. That's where the Fraternal Order of Police will decide if they want to continue the restraining on the order on these documents, keeping them sealed from the public. Then another hearing will be set where arguments will be heard on this case. Live in downtown Tulsa, covering news that matters, Devin Lyon, Fox 23 News.
The documents we've referenced today that we found, we will make available to you in our coverage on fox23.com. If the sealed documents and agreement are made publicly available, we will also add those to our coverage so you can read them for yourself.